This is Diane and Alex's home. Well, it was until they recently sold it because they're moving cross-country. Now, I know this looks like a daunting task to get all of this from here to Boston, but with the help of the U-Box system and moving help, you don't have to lift a finger. Hey, Diane, how's it going? Lots of activity today.
My husband Alex's job is taking us cross-country, so after 5 years, we have to move it all. In the past, Alex and I would rent a U-Haul truck and move our things cross-country ourselves. But he's already working in Boston, so that's just not an option for us.
On a big move like this, where Diane and Alex can't drive their own possessions cross-country, U-Box containers delivered right to their doorstep by the U-Box team is the perfect solution.
I love that U-Haul, a company I have trusted for ages, has a system that helps make this big move low stress. I went to ubox.com. I answered a few questions. Where to deliver the containers? Where are they going? And how many do I need? It was so easy.
And the best part, if Diane needs more U-Box containers, U-Haul will bring them over. And if she ordered too many, she won't get charged for what she doesn't use. This is the flexibility that we love about U-Box.
One of the things I really love about a U-Box move is that I don't have to lift a finger.
Diane ordered moving help movers through uhaul.com. It's a terrific referral service that assists you in finding the best movers in the city you live in and in the city you're moving to.
There are dozens of service providers to choose from and over 1 million unedited customer reviews. So I got real feedback on every moving helper.
With U-Box, I made the right move. Absolutely.
It's U-Box to the rescue. They've got all the moving parts covered, especially when you don't want to lift a finger.